Welcome to the body recomposition series. Today we have an ab workout on the menu. This core workout is going to target your core from all angles. We are going to be doing each exercise for 30 seconds, then you're gonna rest for 15 seconds. So you can do this. You can do anything for 30 seconds. If at any point you want to modify any of the movements, please feel free to do what your body is telling you to. Listen to your body and honor your body. I hope you feel strong throughout this workout. Let's get through this warm-up. Let's get going. The first exercise we're going to be doing is from all fours and shoulder taps, alternating on each side. I want you to think of keeping your core engaged. You can think of doing this by keeping your hips tucked and think of your ribs needing to be pulled down to your belt. From here, make sure your hands are underneath your shoulders and alternate bringing one side up to the other shoulder and repeat. For the next exercise, we're going to stay on all fours and do alternating bird dogs. This is where you're going to raise one arm up and the opposite leg out. You're going to feel a little wobbly here, so brace your core for stability. about you, but my arms are feeling it. We're gonna drop down to our forearms to hit a plank position. And from here, we're going to slowly tap each foot out to our side while keeping your butt down. We're going to go into a C position with your hands on the floor behind you for support. From here, you're going to have your knees bent and feet raised off the floor, and you're going to alternate bringing one knee to chest. You can challenge yourself by having your legs straight. Roll down onto your back and lift your feet up with your toes flexed. If you have to have a bend in the knees, that's totally okay. From here, roll your upper back up off the floor and reach as close as you can to your toes, squeezing your core. Let's drop those feet down to the floor, and from here we're going to kind of repeat that same motion of rolling your upper back up off the floor with your hands flat on the floor to reach for your toes. Get as close to them as you can. Lie on your side with your knees stacked on top of each other. From here, reach your left arm up over your head and then bring it down to your hip, squeezing your core. I want you to focus on your breathing during this. Now we're going to switch to the other side and repeat. proud of you for finishing this core workout with me today. I'll see you tomorrow for the next day of the Body Recomposition Series 2.0. Let's go.